Hello guys, magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi sa inyo. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Meron ako sa inyong isang sorpresa, pero wala akong idea kung ano to. And pangalawa, nakuha ko to sa isang ah, customer namin sa 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 pwesto ng kapatid ni Mrs. Yung nabanggit ko sa kanya, meron akong YouTube channel. I was mentioned by him that I have a YouTube channel. I'm showing some coins and some vintage toys and other things that make him laugh. Then suddenly they come back after maybe 1 week or I don't know, I just can't remember. And they just call me. His son, I think now he's 22, and he talked to me and they gave me this one box. uh Opportunately, the his son is not here. The one who gave this one, his father. This is a gift for me, and he don't know what is inside. Just his son told to him that give it to me. Okay, now we will open this one na. By the way, I don't have any idea what's inside, but I think it's not the iPad, something else, because the sound is it look like loads of paper. Now wait, check, but it said iPad. I don't know. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Huh? What's this? Card? What kind of card is this? Hey guys, do anyone knows about this card? I don't have any idea what is this card. Look, this this card. Do you know this kind of card? Please help me. I don't have idea because what's this? They put about just that of tape. Look, this one, guys. Oh, hmm? And there's many. There's many. I don't know what's now. Okay, guys. Anyone can help me on this one? Oh, and what they call this one kind of this card? Anyone? Anyone can help me on this one? See, so I've got this card and this card, and more. Oh, why they are shining? It's shining. See, it's shining. Oh, what's this card? It's too many. This card, number 32, Shark Drake Vice. See, it's shining. And this is made with foil and see Scarlet first edition. I don't know, guys. Help me. I don't really know this 100%. I don't have any idea. See, I just collecting coins, only coins I know, and some vintage toys. But this card, I don't have any idea 100%. It's too many. See, and guys, help me. Why there's some here? It's shining. What is this? What's the meaning of this? Oh? Shining. I don't know. It look like metal. There's metal. Hi guys, naglagay kasi ako ng ilaw din. Hindi ko alam to eh. Guys, tulungan nyo nga ako dito. It said sa Google, ang sabi, Yugo card. Yun, ano tawag dito? Ano ba, ano to? Subukan kung ano. I-ano to. I-picture. Looking for the result. Still I don't know. Yu-Gi-Oh! Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card. Ba't man nabebenta sa eBay ba to? Nakalagay may mga eBay. Tapos maraming character. Anyway, bahala na kayo dahil basta pakita ko lang sa inyo na madami. Madami tong card nito. Sobrang dami. Yung ba ito nagsashine? See? Tsaka guys, tulungan nyo ako kung original ba to o may fake ba to o no. Hindi ko maintindihan eh. Wala akong idea dito. Kaya ang dami oh. Ang dami. Hindi ko alam kung paano i-segregate. Ano to? Base effect. I don't know. Base effect. Oh. And ito, Spellcaster. Marami. Pero napansin ko lahat first edition. Nakalagay first edition sa may sa wala, hindi ko masyado dito, first edition. Hindi ko may pakita sa inyo kasi po. Okay. Masyadong madami to. At hindi ko alam kung paano i-segregate to, kung paano pagsamasamahin. Wala akong idea. Pero sa search ko ngayon, may mga item, may mga klase, mga figure nito, ano ba to? Super power ba to? Ano? Madami, oh. Oh. Iba may mga nakalagay presyo. Wala. Okay sana, oh. To. Okay sana. May price pala itong ano nito? Dragon. Blue Eyes White Dragon. Kaso, puro tape. May tape. May sabig dito, good condition. Naka-box, may Sige guys, wala talaga ako alam. Surprise ako kasi akala ko text. Pero hindi pala text ng Filipino text. So, it's hard for me na ihanapin ko to isa-isa. Hindi ko talaga alam to. And because of my condition, hindi ako masa-search to lahat. Mahirapan ako kasi may problema ako sa mata. As you can see naman, may problema ako. So, hindi ang dami. Hindi ko alam kung paano yan ito. Wala naman akong nakakilala na may alam nito. Tapos ito ang tanong ko lang, boss, ba't may mga metallic dito sa gilid? May mga metallic. Ano to? Anong ibig sabihin nito? Dami, may abyss scale. Tapos iba-iba yung kulay, may brown, may dark blue, halo-halo. Dami pa, oh. Guys, salamat sa pagpapanood nyo dito sa channel ko. Thank you for watching. And please try to help me kung what is Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card for what is its purpose. Hindi ko na masyadong hahanapin pa sa Google. Because I'm interested pero it will take time because of my age, hindi ko na kayang ano to, i-segregate, hanapin pa. Siguro magagawa ko pero little by little, pero hindi ko alam pa paano i-preserve to. Tsaka mga boss, mga sir, mga ano, in good condition, no. Malulutong yung card. Ayos lahat. Okay? Tsaka hindi ko alam kung rare ba to o ano, kung anong taon to. I will try to search sa Google kung may makikita pa. Okay. Tingnan yung look ko. Dami pa, oh. Madami, ano. Oh. See? Madami. Makikita nyo. Kung sino makakatulong sa akin, kung sino makakano, kung ano to, kung ano purpose nito, kung may value ba to, ano ba. So, maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon, good night. God bless to all. Stay safe and thank you very much.